Welcome to Owell's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is Jonah Goes to Nineveh from the book of Jonah. God said to Jonah, "I have a little task. Get up and go to Nineveh and do what I ask. The people there are wicked, so tell them to obey." But Jonah got on board a ship and sailed the other way. Uh-oh, Jonah, you better go to Nineveh. God sent a windstorm to shake up the boat. Frightened sailors worried that it wouldn't stay afloat. Jonah had been sleeping, but he heard the captain cry, "Everybody pray, or we all may die." Uh-oh, Jonah, you should have gone to Nineveh. Jonah told the sailors, "It's all because of me. I'm sure the wind will stop if you throw me in the sea." They didn't want to do it, but the wind howled and roared. So they picked up Jonah and threw him overboard. Uh-oh, Jonah, you should have gone to Nineveh. When Jonah hit the water, the wind stopped blowing. The boat stopped lurching, and the waves stopped rolling. But God prepared a fish, and as soon as it arrived, it opened up its mouth and swallowed him alive. Uh-oh, Jonah, you should have gone to Nineveh. Down went Jonah with a great big swish. He landed at the bottom in the belly of the fish. For 3 days and 3 nights, he stayed that way. Then he prayed for help and promised to obey. That's better, Jonah. It's time to go to Nineveh. Jonah was relieved when he saw what God had planned. The fish threw him up and tossed him on the land. God said to Jonah, "I want them to repent, so go preach to Nineveh." And this time, Jonah went. That's good, Jonah. I'm glad you went to Nineveh. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Jonah Goes to Nineveh from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.